Students, today we are going to study about co-primes. As I've written, two natural numbers are said to be co-primes if they have only one as common factor. Here I want to clear you all that we are not using only prime number, we are using all natural number. We are talking about all natural numbers. So any two or more number, when we are uh, writing their writing their factors, so there should not be a common factor other than one. In other language, if I'll tell that these two numbers should not be divisible by the same number other than 1. Here I have written some examples: 2 and 3, 5 and 7, 3 and 4, 4 and 9, etc. So I'm going to explain you how these are co-primes. My first example is 2 and 3. Now see how these two are co-primes. So factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Now factors of 3, all the factors of 3, 1 and 3. So what is the common factor here? Only 1. So as I told you, two natural numbers are said to be co-primes if they have only one as common. In 2 and 3 we are getting only one common factor. This is 1. It means 2 and 3 are co-primes. Now 2 and 3 are co-primes of what? 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6. So 2 and 3 are co-primes of 6. My another example was 5 and 7. Now see, I'm going to explain this also. Factors of 5 equal to 1 and 5, and factors of 7 equal to 1 and 7. Here also we are getting 1 as common factor. So these two are also co-primes. Now see another example. We will check for 4 and 6. Okay, we are going to list all the factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4. Now all the factors of 6 equal to 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now common factors equal to 1, 2. So 1 and 2. But the definition was that two natural numbers are said to be co-primes if they have only one as common factor. But we have here two common factors, 1 and 2. So 4 and 6 are not co-prime. Now my another example is for 4 and 9. So factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4. Now factors of 9, 1, 3 and 9. So what is the common factor here? Only one, that is 1. So 4 and 9 are co-primes. I think you understand now. Now these 9 and 4 are co-primes for 9 into 4 equal to 36. These are the co-prime of 36. I hope you understand. So now exercise is here. Find the co-primes of the following. Suppose we have to find out the co-primes of 18. So we are thinking about two natural number which we are multiplying and getting 18. So first we are thinking, suppose we are thinking about 6 3s are 18. But 6 in Then we will check for 6 and 3, are these co-primes or not. So factors of 6 equal to 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3 and 6. Now factors of 3 equal to 1 and 3 only. Common factors 1 and 3. So we are getting here two common factors. So these two are not co-primes of 8. Now we are thinking about another pair. So 9 2s are 18. Now we will find out all the factors of 9 and 2. All the factors of 9 equal to 1, 3 and 9. All the factors of 2 equal to 1 and 2. So there is only one common factor, that is 1. So co-primes of 18 are 9 and 2. Like this you can find for another other numbers. After the co-primes, a number is divisible by another number if it is divisible by its co-primes. If you don't know the divisibility rules of the numbers, so what are you going to do, by which you are checking the divisibility? You are finding out of co-primes of that number, and you are checking that first number by the co-primes of second number. See, the example is given here. Check the divisibility of 11,718 by 18. So think of the co-primes factors of 18. First, what you have to do, you have to think about co-primes of 18. As we have find out right now, co-primes of 18 are 9 and 2. So that number we'll check for 9 and we'll check for 2. We'll check by 9 and we'll check by 2. If it is divisible by 2 also and 9 also, then the number is divisible by 18 also. So first we are going to check this number. What was the divisibility rule of 2? If we are checking, if the ones digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So we are going to check its first unit place. So the unit place is 8. So it is divisible by 2 obviously. Now we are checking for 9. What was the divisibility rule of 9? If the sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 9. So sum of all the digits, 1 plus 1 plus 7 plus 1 plus 8 equal to 18. Is 18 divisible by 9? Yes, it is divisible by 9. So this 11,718 is divisible by 2 and divisible by 9. So it is divisible by 18. Again I am repeating, if you are not understanding how to do it, so find the co-prime of the second number and check the first number by its co-primes. I hope you all understand. Thank you.